Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fantom. Had to cover it. It has been relatively bullish over the course of this morning and yesterday, actually, as well a little bit. But no, it has been relatively bullish. It's on the verge of breaking a massive resistance level, which is going to be a great breakout, and then we can rally much higher. And in general, I want to keep you updated on Fantom. All right, I know quite a lot of you are watching for the Fantom content. So these are my thoughts. Obviously, we have Sonic coming out somewhere in the fourth quarter. So in the next 3 months, that's a major fundamental catalyst. All right. Personally, what I've heard so far from Sonic and the developers working on it, I am bullish on it. Now, obviously, with a new chain launch like Sonic, which is, if you don't know, Fantom is turning into the Sonic chain, and that's going to be an EVM chain, which is much better, I think. And also has much more potential. But ultimately, whether that's actually bullish or not, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what the total value lock does. We'll have to see if there's actually an economy on Sonic. And until then, it's a bullish catalyst, but it's not bullish theoretically yet. Or practically yet. Theoretically it is. But alright. So, and what we're seeing over the course of today to get into the technicals. So that's why fundamentally I am bullish on Fantom. Alright, that's why I think there's more potential than what we've done so far. And then if we look at the technicals, what you can see is that Fantom at this point of time is at this very strong resistance level around 75 cents. It's a little bit higher as well. I would almost go as far as saying that the level very much is between 77 and 73 cents, but we're trying to break above that. And I think Fantom has a good chance to actually break above that. Over the course of this morning, we already saw that Fantom has been one of the strongest performers. As you can see, a couple of hours back, it still was the strongest performer. And what's even more interesting, I would say, is that there's a ton of volume coming in. Right, so that's what you can see right here. Since basically 2 o'clock in the night, at least in my time zone, a lot of momentum came in. Now there's also some shorts being opened, and we got some major short liquidations. So that's not ideal. You don't want short liquidations spiking into the level you want to break above. You'd want to see the volume, and you'd want to see the momentum kind of continue as we are breaking that level. Then maybe grab some liquidations up here, but that we're able to hold the level. Because the big thing right now for Fantom is being able to close above 75 and 77 cents. And gain balance on top of that and break out. Because that's a massive breakout, and then we can start talking about 90 cents, 95 cents. And at this moment, I'm not sure if we can break out. It will depend quite a lot on Bitcoin, and it will depend on the momentum. I mean, Fantom is gaining some nice volume here, which you also need to break out. But ultimately, I would still say, like, given what Bitcoin is doing right now, which is not as strong as last week, and given the resistance we have, I would still say it's most likely for Fantom here that for now we'll pull back. I think ultimately the breakout is coming, all right? So I do think with the fundamentals in mind and my overall thoughts on the markets, I do think this is coming. I just think short term, it is still more likely that we're going to be dropping back down into 66, potentially 62 cents, consolidate down here. And then the next time we gain a lot of momentum and volume, then we can break out. So those are my thoughts for now. I mean, I think overall you should still be having a price alert at 77 cents. All right, so have a price alert at 77 cents. If we are able to get some sort of a close above that, 4-hour time frame close at least, then I was wrong, and I hope I'm wrong. but no, I mean, looking at the markets right now, looking at the price action at this resistance level for Fantom, with the liquidity spike, etc., I would still say this is a little bit more likely on the short term, but ultimately I am bullish. And those are my thoughts. That's what I wanted to say. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.